What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and today is the quickest way to set up full Google apps and services on your Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. And it's not limited to that device. This will work on basically any Huawei global ROM EMUI device. So in this video, I'm going to unbox this absolute beauty and then take you through the step-by-step process. Let's go. I have purchased the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra again for two reasons. First reason, I did not give it a long enough shot first time. I sold it too quick and moved it on because I was helping out a member. But I needed to get it back because this may well be the best candy bar phone ever. And I know that's a bold statement, but you're going to have to watch to find out. And stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, because I'll be doing a boatload of content on not just the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra, but the Huawei MatePad Pro, the Huawei FreeBuds 4, lots of other Huawei content. It's important to mention, Huawei did provide the tablet, the headphones, the watches, and lots of other goodies. The phone itself was bought by me. But as you know, I ain't going to be biased, I ain't going to be scripted. Every opinion I make on any product on this channel, and the Average Dad 2 channel, subscribe there if you haven't already, is absolutely honest and 100% genuine from me or any collaborator on the second channel. Now, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is slightly different to the one I had before because this is a global version. And like with other Chinese manufacturers, there are some things on the global Huawei that are just easier to use than the Chinese Huawei. I say easier to use, I should say easier to install. So I'm going to set this phone up in this video, and I am going to be a D1 glazer for Huawei.
This guy's a D1 glazer, bro.
Because they deserve all the credit and respect thrown at them. The MatePad Pro will give you a slight indication as to which colour I have gone for on my Pura this time. Originally, with the Chinese Pura 80 Ultra, I purchased the black one. This time, all being well, I'm sure my supplier has sent me the right colour. I should have... Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Yes, I have the gold colour. And that camera bump is as big in person as it looks on screen. But trust me, when I talk through the specifications, you're going to understand why. Truly innovative and groundbreaking technology. Now, the rest of the box has everything you need, including, as always, Huawei coming in clutch with a super premium case. Look at the design of that. And again, look at that camera bump. It's basically almost, what, 40%, 35% of the phone is the camera bump. This is a super premium case, and because it is global version, UK plug included in the box. I believe this will be 100 watts. Yes, a 100 watt charging brick with USB-A and a USB-C port. Cable included. So as always, Huawei coming in clutch with absolutely everything you need inside the box. But it's all about this 6.8 inch quad camera behemoth. Yes, you heard me correctly. Quad cameras. So I'm going to turn this on, set up, and I'm going to take you through the setup experience. Don't worry. Let's just tidy up the desk area. So usual stuff here. Once the phone's powered up, it's always got juice in it. Just select your language, which for me is English. You then need to select your region. Selecting your region here does not impact anything in terms of setup, because you are going to need to change your region in the App Store in order to get certain applications working, but I'll discuss that soon. So just select whatever region you're in just now. I'm in the UK. There's then the usual terms of use, so you can have a read through that if you've nothing better to do with your time. And then it's time to insert your SIM card. I will be inserting my SIM card in here. That is a promise. But for right now, I've got stuff to do on my daily driver, which is the X Fold 5 Global. I've got WhatsApps to back up. I've got photos to upload. So I'll not be doing the SIM card swap right now, but my daily driver will be this gold beauty. I mean, just look at it with the gold MatePad Pro. Stunning. So, insert your SIM card. This is global, so you will have eSIM support for those that are about to ask in the comments. You then want to connect to your Wi-Fi network. I'll go ahead and enter my details now. While I'm doing this, I just want you to see that the keyboard out the box, I believe, is like maybe Microsoft SwiftKey or Huawei's own, but it's not Chinese. It's all in your language, which for me is English, but there are multiple languages to choose from on the global version. I'll go ahead and finish my password now. So now we're connected to Wi-Fi. You've then got your data and privacy. Chinese phone folks, better watch out. They might be spying on you. That is just a joke. Your iPhone and Pixel spy way more. Now your usual device protection, fingerprint, face recognition, PIN number. I'll go ahead and set that up just now. And in a move I am delighted with, the fingerprint sensor is on the power button. I actually have decided I don't really like using in-screen fingerprint sensors. I much prefer it. It's more convenient on the side. That's just my opinion. No dramas, just giving you my opinion. Now, your Huawei ID. Sign in using your Huawei ID. If you've not got a Huawei ID, you can set one up. If I remember, I'll leave the link to Huawei.com in the description, but simply just Google Huawei ID, create an account. It's going to be important because you need a Huawei ID in order to download applications from the app gallery. So here you can say two-step verification on my X Fold 5. I have the text message from Huawei. I'll enter my code into here now. With a Huawei ID, you also have access to Find Device. Works just the same as Google or iPhone Find Device. And the final step is if you want to import data, I always say no. I'll set up as a new device. I also always use navigation gestures rather than the 3 buttons because I'm not an absolute heathen and I am a normal functioning human being. And there we have it. EMUI 15, let's go. What an absolute thing of beauty this is. Now, very quickly, just what is cool about EMUI and just Huawei's in general is little gestures. So if you swipe up, it will just automatically bring up widgets that are available in the app that you've swiped up on. Now, not all have widgets, but yeah, just really cool. Anyway, you want to see how to get Micro G and the Aurora store quickly and easily. Well, now that the phone's set up, you've not imported any of your data, go to the Huawei app gallery. Let's just load that up for a second. And at this point, don't bother downloading any updates for any of these applications. That's just going to waste time. Navigate down to Me in the bottom corner. From there, you need to change your region from wherever you put it to Spain. Yes, I know, you're not in Spain. Or maybe you are. Well, probably not. Change your region to Spain through the Huawei app gallery. So, just under the region section, just click on region and then you can change your region to anywhere. As mentioned, we need Spain. Search in the search bar for Spain and select it. It will prompt you to add in your password, which you've already created through your Huawei ID, so just re-enter your password. And then you will get an alert to say that your current region is Spain. So it's going to load up again, so just go back into the Huawei app gallery. So, you've seen all the steps. My phone just got full of storage, so it cut out the video right near the very end. So I just want to reiterate, once you set up your phone, go to the app gallery, click on your profile that you already logged into through the setup process, and simply change your region to Spain. Once you do that, and then download the Aurora store, the magic of Spain as your region means you've not only downloaded the Aurora store, it automatically does Micro G and Micro G Companion. So you know all those long setup Huawei videos where you have to change all these settings and then download Micro G and Google Play Framework and Micro G Companion and do it all in a certain order. If you've owned a Huawei, you know the hardship. No longer an issue. Download the Aurora store from your Spanish region and you're good to go. I'm going to save all the good stuff about the actual hardware for another video, but I will leave you with this quite simply mind-blowing photo sample. An ultra-wide angle shot from the Pura 80 Ultra, right up to a near max, not quite max, near max zoom shot. Pay particular attention to that Newcastle United emblem in the ultra-wide. Yeah, as I said, absolutely mental. So, if you've watched to this point of the video, I have something special for you. The global version of the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is available on the Average Dad Tech Store. And I have just lowered the price. You can pick up the 0.5 terabyte global version of the Pura 80 Ultra for £1,199. Folks, that makes it cheaper than a 0.5 terabyte iPhone 16 Pro Max, Samsung S25 Ultra, and if you've not used a Huawei, you're missing out. Until next time,